honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I want to wish you a happy Resurrection Day. So I'm getting ready to barbecue. So I'm going to show y'all how I light my fire. Okay. This is the big grill I'm using. Okay. I've already tore some of the charcoal bag and twisted it, and I put it in here. And I'm going to spray some lighter fluid on here as well as on the charcoals so I can get a good light first time. So this is what I'm using today. This is all they had at Walmart. They didn't have the stuff we usually use, so it'll work. We'll spray the charcoals first. We'll spray these twisted up papers, and that's what I'll be lighting, the paper. Put this well away from the grill. So let this soak in a few minutes. Then I'll light it. I'm using it's a big lighter. Okay. Okay, now light. Don't want to light. Be quick about it so I can get away from it. Okay. So while this is happening, I'm going to the house, and the meat is already prepared. I'm going to make my hamburger patties. I have some ribs, chicken, hot Italian sausage, and hot dogs. So I will be back. This kind of grill I got, I've had it for about 4 years now. Okay, it's nice. Okay, I'm about to go in the house and make the sauce. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to mix up my barbecue sauce. I don't have my tripod in here, it's still outside. So I'm using this big old mixing bowl. So I'm going to start with using a bunch of different sauces. Okay, I'm going to start with this. It don't matter, just whatever sauce you got in your cabinet, just mix them together. I'm using this Southern style whiskey sauce. Not mixing up too much, because this is the bowl I'm going to actually put the meat in. I'm using the Hickory Smoke Kroger brand. Put in a swig of mustard. Come on. Okay. About that much. I always use any kind of orange or red salad dressing. I'm using Catalina today. Sometimes I use French. A nice swig. I always try to keep some open pit on hand. It adds a special flavor. Might as well kill this. Some Heinz 57 sauce. All these add unique flavors. I got some fake A1. Let me see. Some fake A1 steak sauce. Just using a little. Show you how this sauce looks. See there? Okay. Cover it up. Always cover it up with a clean dish towel. Come back outside, y'all. Let me check these burgers. Y'all see them? Yep. Flip the burgers. Still juicy. I'm going to cook on the other side for a few minutes and I'm going to put these in the house. I want more hockey pucks. Okay. Turn these ribs. So the meat side can cook now. I'm about to lose that. Grease that came off the top. That over. punch holes in my chicken. Whew, burning my eyes. Should have brought the tongs out. This one ain't cooking too good, so put it over there. It's a little big one. Little fat legs. Trying not to watch holes in these sauces because that grease was stirred out. I don't need this kind of facial. I'll be back for the burgers. But I'm going to squirt some vinegar water on my ribs. Chicken. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I got my corn in here. I got 3 cans of corn. I used I poured off the juice to 1 can. I got some white granulated sugar in here. I got seasonings in here. And I got some chicken fry in here. I usually just use flour. Oh, I didn't add my butter. Just a minute. Okay, I added a little pat of butter. So I'm turning the stove on. Remove this for this dish towel catch on fire. Okay. Turn it on medium heat. Let me see. I'm going to stir this, mix all this together. Uh-oh. And the flour is going to make it thicken up, and the sugar is going to make the corn get kind of caramelized. Just a minute. I added a little more of this seasoned flour. Louisiana.